The Hiseeu Solar Camera System is designed with IP66 waterproof capability, ensuring durability in various weather conditions while providing high-quality 2056 by 1440 pixel resolution images. This security camera system features advanced AI human detection technology, which effectively differentiates between humans and other objects, minimizing false alarms and enhancing security. Equipped with two rechargeable 9,000 mAh solar batteries, the cameras offer an extended standby duration, making them ideal for long-term use. The system comes with a pre-installed 1 terabyte hard disk drive, allowing for efficient storage of motion detection records accessible via the Eseecloud app. With two-way audio functionality and the capacity to support up to 10 cameras, users can conveniently communicate and monitor their surroundings from afar. The wide 160-degree viewing angle and compact design make it easy to install these cameras indoors or outdoors for comprehensive surveillance coverage.